Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. I'm back again and this time I'm going to show you how to do a loan repayment and principal adjustment. So let's get started on this. So for that, first we'll have to create a loan. So I have a customer whom I want to create a loan against. Okay, I'm going to create a loan. So loan, okay, I'm gonna say say for 10,000, rate of interest is 3 monthly for, okay, so I'm gonna take first interest then principal, and then say for 12 months. Okay, so now I'm gonna save this loan. So I've set the loan for the approval process, so I'll quickly go and approve this loan. Okay, it's gonna take about a second, so I mean not a second, say about few seconds. Okay, so now you'll see that I have created the loan. So loan 19 is saved successfully. So our loan number is 19. So what I'll do is I'll search loan number 19. Okay, and here I'm gonna receive this. Okay, the first installment of 300. So I'm just gonna say receive. Okay. Now, if you go to the installment tracker, and see, you'll see that the first transaction is, the first installment is fully received. Green means full installment is received. Now what I'll do is I'll go up here, okay, and now the customer is willing to pay me a 4,000 principal. Okay, let's make this 4,000 principal, and now I'm not going to receive because he's going to pay me as principal, so I'm going to say adjust principal. Are you sure to receive amount 4,000 in principal and reduce interest from remaining installments? Yes. Okay, so now if I go down and see in the installment tracker, I'm going to refresh the installment tracker actually. Go ahead and I'm gonna okay, now see here what it has done. It has now what has happened is it's showing me the installments as 180. okay, the rest of the installments it is showing me as 180 because I have already received 4,000 principal. Now 6,000 principal is remaining, and this interest is calculated based on the 6,000 remaining principal. So friends, this is how you can do loan repayment and principal adjustment in Jainam Software. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've understood, and please do not forget to subscribe our Jainam Software YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you so much and have a great day.